Here's a tutorial for Charlie Brown Christmas, arranged by Larry Moore. So this is in D major, but it changes key. It doesn't say Divisi at the top, but it may be easier to play Divisi, but either way it's going to be first fingers with this rhythm. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum. 4, 1, 2. And then it looks like we have a. That's the rhythm at the beginning. A way you could play it is also playing on your harmonic on your C and your G string. Bowing you want to do with the orchestra, but we get to the Charlie Brown theme. That's that first measure, measure 5. And to do that, I'm kind of bridging across my C and my G string. See if you can keep this left hand still so you're not doing that. The sixth measure, measure 9. This is a hard measure. This next one with its F natural. So if you can bridge your fourth finger and play 4-4-2, this is really difficult. I would probably play third finger, go up to second position, and flatten my third finger across the F natural. See if you can find that note, and go 3-3-1. And you can use that open A, or you could even extend it to 2-1. 2-2-4. It only happens once, so you got that. Then it's back to first finger D natural, measure 17. And then da 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 da. So it's da 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 3 4 1 2 3 4. So you hear that? That's measure 21. Let's try from 19. Here we go. 3 4 4 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 27. Same thing here. 4 4 2. Tough. Shift up a half step. 3 3 1. Shift up, shift back, 41s in 3 4. I don't know how to slow. 1 2 3. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3. And that might be a retard. We have this 46. Those are the notes. It's a repeated section. If your orchestra teacher or someone has put a fingering here, you could do this 1 1 3 1 and shift back a half step. We call this a bar chord, moving around. But probably just as good to go 2 2, 2, 4 maybe, or 1, 1. Play whichever one you think you are better at finding this F natural. That's measure 47. Measure 48. Then you could do this in a number of ways. From that E flat, we go to a C sharp. So play this E flat and then C sharp. I go E flat, up a whole step to an F, and play a C sharp for the fourth finger. That F natural is silent. The one I'm making up. Let's do it one more time and go on. 46. Starts here. This is even a little bit more harder. So instead of F with our first finger, we're doing an E flat. So that's a half step above first position with the first finger. 1, 1, 3. Then we go to half positions. Back to that 1/2 step above first position, second position. You can center all that around this E as a G natural third finger. But it's not easy to do a 1, 1, 3 on that C string, so if this is hard, just try to mash that first finger and keep it straight. Instead of this, straight. It's 54, 55, 56. Then we have a B natural. So on that, maybe you go to a first finger, second position on the F, D, B natural and F sharp. And then 1, 1, 3, 3. From the E, E, G sharp. And that's maybe out of the woods. Let's see. We did this a second ago. F natural, first finger, second finger, doesn't matter. Sorry, F natural. It's exactly the same as the last line until here. 70 is a two left. Rest, 2, rest, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. 4, 1. Let's try that again from 78. This is the "Oh Christmas Tree" part. 4, 1. 3, 4. Shift. 4, 1. 86. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, on the finger, the part I have has this as a fourth finger, B natural. That's to make this open A not stick out. However it works out. Here's 86. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4. A flat. 2, 3, 4. And then going on. Rest. 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 2, 3, 4. E flat. 2, 3, 4. 96, 98, sorry. Rest. Rest. 2, 3, 4. Rest. rest. Tremolo. And that was also forte. I can't tell if those are dots. I think they're dotted. I don't know what that means. It's a whole note. So, and then tremolo. 2, 3. And then there's a fermata rest. That's probably a hold by somebody else or an actual off. And then we go back to the tempo 1. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that gets us back to it. 3, 4, 1, 2, 108. Okay, and that's a lot like what we've done a second ago. This one has to be a 2-2 mash with an extension of B flat, because then we play a G natural. We haven't had to do that one. And that'll be your ending. That's your little tutorial. Hope that helps.